Welcome to the heart of your home, the entrance. The moment someone steps through the door, they should feel the warmth and charm that define an English cottage. Today, we're focusing on creating an entrance that's both practical and full of character. Start with the approach. A stone or pebble pathway bordered by lush greenery and blooming flowers sets the tone. A garden arch draped in climbing roses adds a delightful touch, framing the entrance beautifully. On the porch, a rustic bench paired with potted lavender or ivy brings a welcoming vibe. A vintage lantern adds a warm glow in the evening, enhancing the cozy atmosphere. The door is your statement piece. A brass knocker and a classic doorbell add those quintessential English touches. Lighting plays a crucial role. Vintage-style sconces on either side of the door provide a warm, inviting glow, enhancing both the aesthetic and security of your entrance. Consider adding wall decor for extra charm. Hanging flower baskets or decorative metalwork near the door adds visual interest. A small chalkboard with a friendly welcome message adds a personal touch and sets a warm tone. Finish with thoughtful details. A seasonal wreath keeps your entrance lively, while a welcoming doormat adds a personal touch. These small elements tie everything together, making your entrance feel complete. Your entrance isn't just about what's outside, it's the threshold to the comfort within. With these simple touches, your English cottage entrance will be both charming and inviting, making everyone feel instantly at home. Thanks for spending time with us today. Crafting a welcoming entrance is about blending traditional charm with your unique style. It's your home's first impression, and these thoughtful details will leave a lasting impact.